This video is a complete guide on Claude MCP. We are going to learn what it is, how it works, and how you can integrate MCP with Claude AI. So first of all, let's understand what is MCP. Before MCP, if Claude want to connect with any app, each app have their own APIs, and Claude need to write a custom code for each integrations. Like if you want to connect with the YouTube, Claude team have to write a custom integration. Same for the Slack, JPI, and all the tool available on the internet need a custom code to connect with Claude AI. But what MCP did is it is a universal way to connect with any app out there on the internet. So each app have their own MCP, and Claude using MCP can connect with any app on the internet which have the MCP support without any custom code or no involvement from Claude AI teams required here. So it is a universal way to connect AI agent with all the applications we are using in everyday life. I hope you understood. Now, if you want to use MCPs in the Claude, you have to download the Claude desktop because in the Claude web version, MCPs are not available there. So I already downloaded, so you can download it from here, like for Mac OS, Windows, and any other system you have. Then you have to just click here and go in the settings. After that, you will see here a developer section. Here you can see all the MCPs, like all the local MCPs are available there. Right, if you edit config, it will open a window, and here in the Claude desktop config.json, you will install all your MCPs here. But I am going to show you a very simple way here. If you go to the extensions, you can find most of the MCPs here also, which are very useful, like Figma and all other MCPs, like window MCPs and all other MCPs are available here. And in today's video, we are going to use Figma MCP. So let me come here and install. So what it will do, it will automatically set up the MCP for me, and so I don't have to like go in the JSON file and edit all the stuffs. And I enable it from here. You can configure if you want. If you click on here, you can configure all of these things. And if you go in the developer section, as you can see, Figma is in our MCPs now, right? So now let's go to the Claude AI and try to create something using Figma, and then we will complete this video with a very important note. So I will click on new chat. Now what I am going to ask Claude AI to use this Figma design, I have given the link, and design the home page using the Figma MCP, and let's see if it can create or not. I will click here, and let me show you how the home page look like before doing that. So here is the design of the home page, as you can see, and we'll see how much Claude match with this design. And as you can see, it completed our home screen. We can match this one with our design in Figma, this one, and I think they look similar. It look very premium and really good, I think. Right, it's showing the button, we can like showing the search profile and all other things. It's look really cool. So this is how the MCPs work. So as you can see, MCP help us to connect with another app which is outside the Claude environment and able to do the work. Now one thing I want to clear here is MCPs work great when we are using mostly with the Claude Code or other AI coding tools. So we are going to learn a lot more when we are covering Claude Code on this channel and other AI coding tools where we will use MCP and will cover in much depth, because here there are some limits. I hope this video helped you out to understand the MCP and how it works. If you still have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. And if you want to learn more about MCP, make sure you hit the subscribe button, because I am going to create a lot of more videos related to MCP, especially when we are covering the Claude Code and other AI coding tools. So hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring the world. Bye bye.